today I'm gonna do Barbie video! Okay, let's open the box. Let's see what's in there, guys. Okay, on this side. Oh, this side right now. I'll zoom. With flop, drop, carefully. Ah! This is the barbecue shop because it goes through water. And let's take it out. Let's see what's in there. Take it out. Oh, the other one, this one. That one is for, it's a door. Because we can use all of the stuff with this one. So we're going to do Barbie. First we have to open those. Take it out. I can do it, guys, but I can't. What should we do? Aha! We got a paper. That's what we need.
It's called an instruction.
It's called the instruction. Look at the Barbies. That's Barbie. That's Barbie. That's Barbies. Those are the Barbies. Let's go swimming. Let's go to the ocean. Okay, Mom, drive us. Okay. We're here. Okay. Let's go slide. Cause this is for kids. It's a little kid, Barbie. Oh, sorry, kids. Let's go swimming. You go swimming. But first you have to put on those shoes. Let me take them off for myself. How do I do it? Put your door. Okay, first I have to put them on. Come on, I can do it. There. I gotta put on. Ah, no! My shoe. Okay. Take off the shoes. You don't need shoes, you need. Oh no, we out of water. But don't worry, we can swim in. Swimming. Oh, me too. Oh no. Let's go to the slide. Let's go have a slide. Oh, me too. Wait. Hey, I got it. It's done. Woohoo! There. Mom, we need a lot of water. Swimming. And with Barbie too. Oh, Barbie, do you want to slide with it? Do you want to play with us? Yeah. I can play with you guys. Oh, let's wash my hair. Guys, let's wash my hair. Okay. Oh, let's wash my hair. Let's wash my hair with water. It's working. This is working, Mom. Oh, it's not working. Can I get some of this? Hey, let me wash my hair. And use water bag. Okay, swimming. This is for little kids, Mom. Do you remember? Yeah. Just gonna have a seat. Yeah. It's gonna have a seat, Bobby. Okay. Have a seat. Having a seat. Having a seat. Next. And it hurts. I'm going to swim. Ah, got me wet. Oh, I'm gonna put this on here. Okay, that's it. Have a seat. Whoa, it's slide on the side, guys. Okay. It's just one play you can play. Okay. Swimming. Let's go swimming. Go swimming. Let's try drink. I need some of a cake. Excuse me, please. Eat a cake. Up the drink. Inside. It gets nice. Slidey, woo! Just slidey. Slide. Time for bed. No. I want to swim a little bit more. I'm sorry, honey, because you can't. But, okay. I'm going to clean my hair and dry it. Wash. Right here. There. Time to go to bed. Dry your hair. Come on. Okay, I'm going to sit down here. Just sit down. There. Okay, let me dry it. There, it's dry. Now time to go to bed. Okay, time to go to bed. We got over here. Dry my hair. Time to go to bed. Put the blanket on. There. This one. For a blanket. I've had a blanket. Oh, Mommy, can we have a sleep, please? Yeah, dear. Yay! It's almost gonna be breakfast. Okay, Mommy. Did you finish your bed? You finished your bed? Yeah. Good job. Now you can go eat. Okay. I'm hungry. Oh, sorry. You can drink some drinks. Okay. I can drink. Wait, I gotta share. Mommy, I made a mess. Oh. Oops. Whoop. That's okay. Okay, then I want to go swimming. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.